Discover the top 5 best Android apps for June 2026: ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Spotify, WhatsApp, and CapCut. These powerful apps can boost productivity, creativity, and entertainment on your phone instantly. At number 5. This app is literally turning normal phone users into viral video creators overnight. Meet CapCut, photo and video editor, one of the most powerful editing apps out there, with a solid 4.3 rating and over 1 billion downloads worldwide. This isn't just a basic editor, it's a full creative studio in your pocket. You can trim, cut, merge, and speed up or slow down clips from 0.1x all the way to 100x. It gives you smooth keyframe animation, cinematic transitions, and pro level tools like chroma key to remove backgrounds in seconds. And the AI features are insane. Auto captions that turn speech into text instantly, text to speech in multiple voices, and even background removal without green screens. You also get trending filters, effects like glitch and blur, motion tracking, and thousands of music tracks and sound effects ready to use. That's why creators on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and Facebook all rely on CapCut. It makes your videos look professional without needing editing skills. The number 4. This is the app that literally changed how the world listens to music. We are talking about Spotify, music and podcasts, rated 4.4 stars with over 33 million reviews and more than 1 billion downloads worldwide. Now, here's why everyone is obsessed with it. Spotify gives you access to 80 plus million songs and around 4 million podcasts, all in one place. Whether you're into hip hop, pop, lo fi, or deep podcast storytelling, it has something ready for your mood. What makes it even better is how smart it is. It learns your taste and builds playlists just for you, like Discover Weekly, dropping new songs you'll probably end up loving. And every Friday, Release Radar keeps you updated with fresh tracks from your favorite artists. And yeah, it's not just random music. You can create playlists, share them with friends, and even collaborate in real time. If you upgrade to premium, things get even smoother. No ads, offline downloads, and high quality audio anywhere you go. Plus, features like Spotify AI DJ literally act like your personal music guide. That's why Spotify isn't just an app, it's your daily soundtrack. So tell me, what's the first song you'd play on it? Number 3, it's the powerful AI app. Google Gemini rated 4.4 stars with over 35 million reviews and more than 1 billion installs worldwide. This isn't just another assistant. Gemini runs on advanced models like Gemini 3.5 and Gemini Omni, built to boost both productivity and creativity. You can chat naturally with Gemini Live, brainstorm ideas in real time, or even share your screen and camera so it can see exactly what you're working on. It doesn't just reply with text, it gives structured answers with visuals, images, timelines, and smart breakdowns that actually make sense fast. And the integration is next level. Connected with Gmail, Calendar, YouTube, Google Photos, and search to get personal help across your daily life. You can upload files, notes, videos, or spreadsheets and instantly get summaries, insights, or even full explanations why it's useful. Whether you're studying, working, or creating content, Gemini turns complicated tasks into simple steps. It can even help build web pages, design visuals, or generate ideas in seconds, like having a creative partner in your pocket. Now, number 2, we've got ChatGPT, OpenAI official app. And it's sitting at an impressive 4.5 rating with over 1 billion installs and around 46 million reviews worldwide. Now, here's why everyone is talking about it. This isn't just a chatbot. It's like having a super smart assistant in your pocket 24/7. You can generate images just by describing what you want, turn ideas into visuals in seconds. Need help on the go? Just tap voice mode and have a real time conversation like you're talking to a person. Got a photo? Upload it. It can read handwriting, explain objects, even break down real world info instantly. Students use it for learning, creators use it for ideas, and professionals use it to write emails, ads, and full business plans. And the crazy part? It adapts to you. Whether you need quick answers, deep explanations, or creative inspiration. That's why it's one of the most downloaded and trusted AI apps on the planet right now. So here's the question. If you had an AI assistant that could literally think, create, and guide you anytime, would you use it? The number one, we've got WhatsApp Messenger, one of the most powerful and widely used apps in the world, developed by Meta. With a solid 4.5-star rating and over 232 million reviews, it's absolutely dominating the communication space. Key features: WhatsApp lets you send messages, photos, videos, documents, and even voice notes all for free. But what really makes it stand out is end to end encryption, meaning your chats and calls stay completely private. Not even WhatsApp can read them. You can also make high quality voice and video calls with up to 32 people at once, even on slower internet connections. Group chats keep your friends, family, or even work teams connected in real time. And don't forget status updates. Share your daily moments that disappear after 24 hours, just like stories. Plus, it works seamlessly on both mobile and desktop, and even supports Wear OS smartwatches. With over 10 billion installs, it's trusted worldwide because it's simple, fast, and secure. No usernames, no complicated setup, just your phone number. Which of these top 5 apps will you try today? Comment below and make sure to subscribe for the latest Android app updates.